Yeah. But,
Hey guys, I do some special meeting. You guys haven't seen the t-shirts yet. Everything else. So,
oh, see.
how are you? Everything turned out? Starts up, what you got done? You guys are doubles. Here it is. The list is long. Try to do the best I can. Most people here have had something to do with us in one way or another. Our insider, Karen, she was the one that made arrangements for us to get this thing done. It was my wife's idea just to paint it. It blew up on us. It's not quite like the TV show, maybe not quite as good, but I'll tell you what, it's amazing.
Jerry and Cindy have been overhauled.
Get this down here. Just to show you a little bit of what we've done.
One more poke at the line.
As a new weather strip, everything's been done that way for you. We wired in new lightning bolts in the front and back of the license plate. The back ones work off the brake lights and turn signals. The front amber ones work off the turn signals for the license plates. Even right down to reconditioning the deck for you. Pinstripe the emblems for you here. Pinstripe the drill emblems. Gas caps been detailed right down to the little things. Pinstripe the bell covers for you. New battery cabling, right down to new battery radiator cap. Down to the fuel regulator, bracket, new shark strings, new fuel motor, all new fuel lines, and all. You can lead it back. Everything's new. Painted all the grill. They even did tracks in the parking lot. They were getting paid really good price.
Thank you all.
That's pretty much the story.
That's absolutely gorgeous.
This is
Huh?